Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking core prerequisites: a backend language, front-end framework, storage, domain, and SSL. Once chosen, provision a cloud VM with at least 2 vCPUs and 4 GB RAM, register a domain, and enable a CDN. Then initialize a Git repository, create a Docker file, and wire basic CI to build images automatically. Make sure to configure environment variables securely. Use a secrets manager. This gets you a reproducible, deployable foundation, so you can stream reliably from the first push. Now move into media processing and delivery. Implement authenticated ingest endpoints to receive streams, then transcode into HLS or Dash using FFmpeg or a managed media service. Once done, push source files and generated segments to object storage with lifecycle rules to control cost. Set up adaptive bitrate profiles and create manifests, then publish them through your CDN. Make sure to use signed URLs and short TTLs to protect content. This ensures smooth playback across networks and devices, while finish by integrating a player that consumes HLS/Dash, enabling adaptive playback and optional DRM or token-based auth. Next, add observability. Request logs, playback metrics, synthetic checks, and alerts tied to auto-scaling policies so instances grow with load. Then conduct cross-device testing, run a canary rollout, and validate security headers and cores. If issues appear, roll back via your CI pipeline. If buffering persists, reduce segment size or add CDN cache rules. This sequence gets you to a robust launch, and one key troubleshooting tip follows.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.